What's up, guys? It's Chad. We're back. Beautiful sunny Sunday. Your favorite vlog for the mentally illest. It's race day. We're waiting for Jake and Devin to get here. They're picking me up, taking the bikes out to Chipmunk to race the manyth annual piston run. I'm sore. I'm tired from yesterday. Land on my hip pretty good on a log, so we're not exactly feeling race ready, but we're feeling as good as we can be. It was Jake's first ride yesterday, and he signed up to race today, so that's going to be interesting, and I'm sure we're going to get lots of footage out of it. It's going to be super fun, and we're all going to rip. It's going to be a super good day. Koa's barking at me. What's up, baby? What's up? I'm going to bet $5 right now. You can comment below if the boys are going to come unprepared, because I brought a flat of water, lawn chairs, and extra gas. How much do you want to bet that they brought none of those things?
Oh. Hello.
Guess what? I got extra lawn chairs.
Dude, you're the man.
I told the viewers, I said, these guys ain't even going to show up prepared.
Nope. You know what the thing was, too? I almost bought a lawn chair at Target yesterday. And then I was like, oh, sure, I'll just grab one from home. I did not grab one from home. Oh, yeah, he had a little wiggle room there.
Couple 4-stroke pipes. We're in the wrong business.
We are.
Oh, Jesus, fuck.
There's gonna be a couple bikes laying down.
I hope not. Oh! Oh! Yeah, fuck that Chevy up.
Getting in the racing spirit, buddy.
Yeah, independent suspension.
Emergency contact on site? I guess that's you.
Chad.
Can you write your SIN number down so I can get that in the
What's
video?
your phone number?
604. You racing in sport mode in the neons?
Holy smokes!
I think your bike feels fucking lighter than ours.
It's so light.
It's super.
That's like insane. So I don't get it.
Kid's already going for a nap.
Yeah, dude.
Well, Jake, how'd you do?
The body. My hand's fucked up. My ass is fucking raw in between my butt cheeks. My shoulder hurts. But I finished. Last place, but I finished.
So, we raced the race the other day. I'll insert the clips we got. Unfortunately, I owe my dad a GoPro. I use his GoPro to film all the dirt bike content we've been making, and I lost it midway through the race, so hopefully somebody finds it at some point, or I might go for a quick rip soon. See if I can track it down, but pretty unlikely, unfortunately. But we are going to be doing a full teardown on the bike. I'm sending my suspension off to get tuned by Curtis Jensen. Super rad dude in the local community. He's doing some suspension work out of his backyard, so we're gonna get this dialed in for my weight and everything. Probably gonna go to International Motorsports, grab a new tire, and just do some general maintenance today. So this old grandma in front of me,
were gone for 1 week, so we have to go see them because I miss them.
Leave me alone.
So now you don't want to vlog? Lila, do you miss Collins? Yeah. Are you excited to see her? Yeah. Text from my mom. Apparently she's back in the hospital.
There's too much. Looks a little better. Yeah. Now I just need to make sure that the bolt stays in. Daddy Dylan's on the tools.
So you guys are the Harley guys. I'm the has-been Moto guy.
Fucking crazy. You just gotta buy it, dude.
Shouldn't buy it.
You should.
Shouldn't.
Come on, do it.
No, we should have the fucking normal style front fender. I love the ones with the chrome that say.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I think we would say.
I think I have Road King badges in a box at home.
Do you have the chrome to go around?
Yeah.
It too? I totally should buy it, eh?
You should totally buy it. It's so totally a good deal.
It's a good deal.
It is. Legitimately, I'm not even saying this just so you go and buy something stupid. That is a good deal.
You probably make money on it.
Yeah. If
Good. Just getting things
Hi.
together.
Hi, I'm bringing you food.
nice.
Yeah, pizza? Yeah, do you want some pizza? I'm gonna leave it here for you. It's pepperoni, is that okay?
Pizza and bubbly, dude. Good
Right?
day.
Yeah, it's a good
Thank
day.
you.
You get when you come on Thursday.
Oh yeah. Bye. Been like a waiting process.
It's a waiting process. We just have to trust the process.
Well, the universe knows best. It lines you up when you least expect certain things.
You basically put the universe's Xbox cheat codes all over the wall, so.
I did. So it should work out on my behalf, hopefully.
Yeah. It's like the invincibility cheat code in GTA all over the wall.
Cheat code to get the rain away too.
Yeah. Yeah. Not exactly ideal conditions.
Well, I got no other option.
Nice mural. Not nice cloud. Nice guy. Not so nice cloud. Super nice can control. Ready? Nice. Not nice cloud. I unfortunately did not miss the rainstorm. But you know what? Sometimes you gotta ride in the rain. It's just a fun thing to do. I would say that that's pretty wet.